Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to integrate Shopify with Xero to simplify your accounting and keep your financial data in sync. So let's get started. First, go to Xero login page and enter with your email ID and password if you haven't already. Now, once you are in the Xero dashboard, go to the top right side of your screen and click on connected app icons. Now, here you have to find the Shopify app. If you didn't find it, click on the find more apps on the Xero App Store. So I want to connect Shopify integration by Xero. Just click on Shopify app, then press on the get this app option. Now this will authorizing and then click on the connect app. Now here you have to enter your Shopify store address and then click on the continue button. So that's it. Your Shopify store is now integrated with Xero for easy and accurate accounting. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.